Hi, my name is Dan with Airthinx. Thank you for joining us on this brief demonstration on how we use our indoor air quality monitors and partner purifiers to remediate harmful indoor air quality conditions. Okay, so we just received our device. Looks pretty good to me. Let's open it up and see what we need to do to get this thing running. As you can see, the device comes with 3 simple steps, because that's really all you need to do to get your Airthinx active and reporting. Step 1, attach the mounting bracket. Every Airthinx comes with a mounting bracket that you can put on the wall as you choose. The next step is to install power. There's also options for powering the device through the back if you prefer a more aesthetic and clean look. Next, you need to go ahead and check your email for an invitation from support@airthinx.io. This is just a basic login that you need to access your device through the web-based platform or the mobile app. And I happen to have my mobile app downloaded and ready to go. So let's take a look at our data. Now that the LED is solid blue, we're now active and reporting. And here's our data, live and ready to go. As you can see, we have good air quality in the office right now, and we hope to keep it that way. All of our devices work off cellular communication. So as soon as I power on the device, it'll connect to the cloud and make that data accessible to me, whether I'm on the scene or across the world. The Airthinx is a true plug-and-play solution and makes installation quick and easy. What many people don't realize is that common residential humidifiers like this ultrasonic humidifier actually create particles. This is caused by breaking up the minerals that are in non-distilled water that can then be breathed in and in fact can accumulate on surfaces once this is running over a period of time. The air quality in the room has shifted from a blue LED representing good air quality to a yellow LED. As you can see, the Airthinx has changed from a blue LED to a yellow LED representing a change from good to moderate air quality. Poor air quality is demonstrated through our red LED that is now reflective on the purifier itself. The purifier has increased its fan speed and will continue to run until the situation is remediated. The yellow LED is reflective of moderate air quality, and that will be response of the purifier. Once it's all back to normal, the air purifier will then slowly drop to a standby condition until it gets triggered again. Let's take a look at how our system responds to something as simple as putting hand sanitizer on my hands. While hand sanitizer doesn't release particles in the air per se, it does release harmful toxins and chemicals that will stay in the air longer than you might expect. And we're going to see how our systems respond to it and purify the conditions. As you see, the Airthinx has picked up on the harmful indoor air quality conditions caused by the VOCs coming from the hand sanitizer. The data has been sent to the cloud and will be picked up from our purifier shortly thereafter and will kick in response. The air purifier will run until the air quality conditions are rectified back to a good condition. Once it's all back to normal, the air purifier will then slowly drop to a standby condition until it gets triggered again. Remember, airborne illness and viruses attach themselves to particles through the air. They can be ultrafine particles like the ones that are found through this humidifier, or even larger particles found through cigar smoke. But it doesn't stop there. Those can spread through coughing, sneezing, speaking. That's why it's important to mask up. And if you can't, it's important that we have air purification system running in the background. Because with Airthinx, we can make every space a safer place.